What's up, Ski Fever fam? My name is Ben, and today we're skiing at Mountain Creek. We're gonna hit some jibs, we're gonna hit some jumps, and we're gonna have a lot of joy. See if I can get up enough speed to do this. Haven't tried it yet today. I don't think I can get enough. Yeah, I could have tried it, but I'm going at the same time as this kid. Wow, that was fun. Oh wow, that was really scary. It's all right. Nice. Okay, this again. Oh wow, that's crazy. Maybe I'll try that. No one comments, so. Oh, that was awkward. Oh, now I have to get all the way over here. I fucked that up. I forgot about this. I messed myself up. I forgot about this. Dude, this side hit is so large. It's grown a lot. Ow. See, that's the thing. The landing is so flat and hard. It's not that fun. Get a video of Dad. Nice. A bit sketchy, but we'll take it. Nice jump over there. There's the switch landing. Nice run. Nice. Wow. You're crazy skiing backwards here. All right, let's get after it. Not the best start. It's all right. Let's lock in. Not the best middle either. 180. Not the best 180 either. It's okay. Not enough speed on that one, surprisingly. Nice. Oh, that was a... Whoa, I only got one ski. See if I can get enough speed to do this. All right. Wow. Closed. Race. Interesting. All right, let's try this for the first time today. And in a long time. That was so clean. All right, speed for this. Bro, get out of the way. Dude, people gotta watch where they're going. They're going so slow on the jumps. Nice. All right. Cool. I survived. And I did well. I love sitting down. All right, Bakersfield or the goalie for the first time? I think we'll go Bakersfield. feel pretty good on the rails that time. I think I can have hopefully a good few rails here. Let's snake this line casually. See if I can do this successfully for a second time. Not amazing, not very good actually. Wow, that was insane. That really shot me. All right, solid. Sorry, I'm getting in that person's way. Oh. Okay, this again. Not the best. Didn't get enough speed into it really. All right, right side again. Should I do the side hit? No. Too much impact on that landing. All right, I'm out of breath. Let's lock in for these last two. Nice. Whoa, it's a bit odd. Cool, nice run. Okay, we're going jumping jack this time. I was just feeling it. Got lots of sunlight today. I'm surprised by that. I'm also blinded by it. I don't really want to put my visor down, so. Good enough. Not the best. All right, redemption on this tube. Yes. Ah. Nice. All right, back to lift line. Let's get this big urban on rail. Little spin first. Good mental reset that is. I'm probably so muffled right now. I got the mic under like at least 2 layers of my jacket, but it'll protect from the wind a little bit that way. All right, let's not get in anyone's way. Wow, that goes good. Nice, nice. Wow. A bit too big, but that was fun. All right, goalie or Bakersfield? Let's go goalie this time. Let's go for 3 big jumps. There should be more speed on the trails this time, so hopefully I can clear the 3rd jump more easily. And let's get in line and see what everyone else is doing so I can try to gauge the speed. Let's see the speed here. Pretty much just went straight in and they cleared it. Nice. Okay. Go after this guy in the red, although I don't think he's doing the jump. I would be very impressed if he does. Is he going for it? He's going for it. Holy shit. Oh, he does not have enough speed. Oh, that's a painful case right there. All right, let's go for it. See if we can get, hopefully this guy's not chasing me too badly. That's a case right there. Let's get more speed. And that's an overshoot. Solid. That was the cleanest I've ever done that rail. Felt very smooth, very easy. Land switch off this. That was the cleanest I've hit those 2 in a row ever. Although I've only been skiing here for 2 days while they've been here, but nice run and short line, nice. Gonna see if I can try my first ever 270 off on this flat bar skinny box thing in the middle here. I'm gonna hike it and see if I can do that. First, let's just do a regular ski slide to switch. Is that enough speed? Yep. Okay, that was stage one. All right, take two at the 270 off. I guess I'll try back 270. I think that's the easier way. Rotate the same way as I get on, and this time I'm just gonna try another ski slide to switch. And I didn't even succeed at that. Okay. That was close, that was close. That was my best attempt yet. Nice. Okay, didn't get so much spin there, but landed something. Maybe a back 180 off generously, but shout out to Deepler filming. Couldn't do any of this without my boy. Nice. That was nice.
2 on, 2 off, 2P2. Okay, solid. Another 180. Good. We'll take it.